lasted all of 5 minutes. Welcome everybody back to the Jim Diesel channel, and this is Top Gun for drones. Check that baby out. Let's have a look, see what's going on. So this is Bury St Edmunds. Let's have a go this way a little bit. Let's go that way. Let's do a 360. So this is on normal flight mode. So here at Top Gun School we teach you all the different flight modes. Let's just, there we go. Let's pan the camera down. There's Jim Diesel. Give him a wave, Jim. Woo! There you go, you can see that there's a drone up there. Anyway, so that is just normal mode. If you want it steady, I'm going to stick it now on tripod mode. So this slows everything down a little bit. There we go, so that's a bit more fluid now. So look, I can spy on my neighbours. Now, with the drone code, technically it's supposed to be 150 metres away from anyone's house, and seeing that is my house, there, doesn't really count. Anyway, so let's do another 360. So this is on tripod mode. You can see there, that is a lot slower and smoother. That's the beautiful Suffolk countryside and the filthy streets of Bury St Edmunds. Let's pan the camera down. Oh, that's up. So you've probably seen in the news all that fucking kerfuffle with Gatwick, what all that was about, and Heathrow. Here we go. People in their fucking drones. So let's come down to where I am now. So here Jim Diesel's Top Gun for drones. We teach you to do all types of stuff with your drone. You can use it for commercial use, you can use it for private use. I'm going to use it for my motor vlogs when I get my bike back. And talking of which, let's get over here. Here it comes. Oh, supposed to have anti-collision mode. That ain't picking me up. Anyway, yeah, so update on the motorbike. I went to put a deposit on a bike the other day, or yesterday, and someone else beat me to it. So I've now got to wait out. Let's go check out the dustbins. You can see here, look, let's go check the dustbins out, see if anyone's been tampering with my bins. Ah, you can hear there the anti-collision mode kicking in. See them birds? Let's bring it down. Stuff with the bike, so still no bike. So do some zooming around. Do some circles. There's some of the tricks we teach you here at the school. Let's go back up again. Do a nice bit of rotating. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. There's that bad boy landing. There she goes. Ooh, right on the hilly pad. Oh, good landing. That's me out.